Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming the model is ready. Link files, check levels, and ensure families are loaded. Next, open or create the plan view where you'll scope doors and windows. Adjust view range and design options so every opening is visible. Then, make sure door and window families are properly hosted to walls. If not, swap to correct type. Once done, you're set to build the schedule because accurate families and view scope directly determine what Revit will list and count. Now create the schedule. Pick doors or windows and add fields like type, width, height, mark, and room. Then configure sorting and grouping. Group by type or level so counts aggregate. Add totals if needed. Use filters to exclude placeholders or work-in-progress types, and format columns for units and alignment to improve readability. If you need custom data in tags or external reports, add shared parameters and calculated fields. These let you compute totals or concatenate strings for export. Finish by placing the schedule on a sheet, set a clear title, and tidy appearance, column widths, fonts, and wrap text so it's presentation ready. Export to CSV or DWG for client or consultant use. Make sure parameter names match if linking to Excel. Finally, double-check counts and totals against model views. If something is off, verify view scope, confirm instance versus type parameters, and inspect filters or exclusions. Fixing those usually resolves mismatches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.